Hi, this is Mike J. Welcome to the channel. What I want to talk about here today is a pre-owned 2018 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 MT82 with the third gen Coyote. This car is pre-owned, it is used. It's got about 12,000 miles on it. I am not sure if it's a rental return or if it was a car traded in because this car was bought at the auction, more than likely. Those of you know, I've worked in car sales in the past, and anytime a stock number on a vehicle starts with a P, stands for purchase, which means that was probably bought at the auction. Or it could have been bought from another dealer. But we are here at Avondale, Mitsubishi. This is a Mitsubishi dealership that sells used cars. And this is the options that are on this car. There is no window sticker on it. And this is the asking price. Yes, that is the same price as you can buy a new one for, but I'm sure this price is negotiable. But what we're gonna do here is we're gonna fire up this car and listen to a third gen Coyote that's got about 12,000 miles on it to see what the engine sounds like. And we have here Jose. Jose? Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Welcome to my channel. So we're gonna have Jose here fire up the car, and let's just get some sound of this car and see if it makes all the right noises. Thanks, Jose.
You're welcome.
We're gonna let this car warm up a little bit, and I'm gonna go underneath it with a phone and see if we can capture any noises. That seems abnormal. Like I said, this car's got around 12,000 miles on it. This is basically a base Mustang GT with an MT82 with the stock wheels and tires. Let's let it calm down a little bit. So like I said, this car's got around 12,000 miles on it, so let's take a look at the tires. It doesn't look like it was too beaten on. Got a little fitment issue there. Thought Ford fixed that, but I guess it's a hit or miss. Hell, with 12,000 miles on it, I think this sounds better than the brand new one. All the new ones that I've been looking at, firing those up, this one seems like it's smoother running, huh? You guys tell me, leave me a message. You tell me what this one sounds like, how it sounds. Jose, can you rev it to like about 1,500 RPM? revving it to? 1,500? Okay. You know, I fired up a lot of these brand new ones, and this one is like really quiet. There's not a lot of injector noises that you'd hear on the new ones. So I don't know, I think they're all a little bit different. So I don't know, guys, what do you think? A pre-owned one might be a better bet over a new one? Now I know that Avis Rent-A-Cars have a lot of these used ones for sale, because there are a few outlets that sell Avis cars that are their own cars that they've pulled out of fleet rental service. And this is probably not going to be a rental due to the fact that because of mileage, you're like 12,000 miles. The rental ones are generally upper 20s to low 20,000 miles. So I guess this would be a good idea to take a look at one from a used lot that has some mileage on it. And we'll check out the bottom one more time on the other side. So anyways, guys, this is a 2018 Mustang GT 3rd Gen Coyote with around 12,000 miles on it. So leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think about this one, on how it sounds with some mileage on it. And of course, keep in mind that this is an MT82 car, so they all should sound the same, right? Well, I do hear a little bit of a knocking, so it doesn't sound like barbecue tape or typewriter. But that little bit of knocking, I don't think I've heard before, so. You guys know, let me know what you think it is. Well, guys, there you have it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Anyways, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, comment. Tap the notification bell for future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care.